Flying first class is luxurious, but owning your own private jet? That's the pinnacle of exclusive travel. Today, we'll explore the top 5 private jets you can own, revealing their prices, stunning features, and why they're the ultimate status symbols. The Gulfstream G700 is the definition of modern luxury in the air. With a price tag of $75 million, this jet offers unparalleled comfort and range. It's designed to fly over 7,500 nautical miles non-stop, meaning you can fly from New York to Tokyo without refueling. Its interior boasts a private bedroom, spa-like bathrooms, and customizable living spaces. The G700 features the largest windows in aviation, flooding the cabin with natural light. Priced at $73 million, the Bombardier Global 7500 holds the title for the longest range of any business jet, up to 7,700 nautical miles. It's a true home in the sky, with a master suite, a full galley kitchen, and a dedicated entertainment room. It's the first private jet to have a patented Nuage seat, offering zero-gravity positioning for maximum comfort. The Dassault Falcon 8X offers a more affordable entry into the ultra-long-range jet category at $58 million. With a range of 6,450 nautical miles, this jet combines performance and luxury. It's known for its whisper-quiet cabin and innovative digital flight control system. Dassault is known for its military aircraft heritage, and the Falcon 8X is one of the most reliable jets in its class. The Embraer. Praetor 600 is a game-changer in the mid-size business jet category. Costing around $21 million, it offers unmatched performance and luxury for its size. With a range of 4,000 nautical miles, it's perfect for transcontinental flights. The Praetor 600 is the only jet in its class with full fly-by-wire technology, making it one of the most advanced jets in the sky. The Cessna Citation Longitude is a more affordable luxury option at $26 million. Its range of 3,500 nautical miles makes it ideal for domestic and shorter international routes. It's perfect for business travelers looking for a balance of luxury and practicality. It's known for its quiet cabin and smooth ride, thanks to Cessna's advanced noise dampening technology. These 5 private jets redefine luxury travel, offering speed, comfort, and exclusivity. Which one would you choose to own? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury lifestyle content.